Hey everybody, iRix Guy here, and if you're looking for how-to videos, tutorial videos to better assist you with your homeschooling, comment down below because I'm looking for video topics. I know a lot of y'all have commented on some of my existing videos, some of which I had filmed many years ago. Everything from photography tutorials, how to green screen, how to how to do pretty much everything. So if you're looking for an answer for a specific question, just comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, youtube.com/iRixGuy, and check out all my videos. I've got a ton of tutorial videos now. I've got drone videos, I've got travel videos. Obviously travel videos are currently not being created because I am self-quarantined, watching out for everyone else. It's a bad time right now. But you shouldn't say it's a bad time because it's actually an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn in different ways. So, if you found this video, you were obviously searching for something how-to tutorial type content. So, I'm hoping that this puts you where you were. I'm hoping that this put you where you wanted to be. And again, I'm actively looking for how-to and tutorial topics. I'm quarantined. I'm trying to create as many videos as possible that can keep myself busy because being in quarantine is not that great. I'm fortunate today. It is a weekend, so I am out and about, and not out and about around others, but I'm extremely socially distanced. I'm out in the middle of the wilderness, and but I brought my camera with me because I want to take advantage of the hike as I think of ideas. I want to post videos and get your questions rolling in so that when I return to the studio in quarantine that I can hopefully create a lot more how-to and tutorial videos that that may add value for your homeschooling needs. So we're all in this together. It's a different temporary normal. Don't look at this as something that's going to go on forever, but if we're all responsible regardless of political differences, if we're all responsible and if we all take this seriously and work to self-quarantine and just do away with those in-person social interactions, we can hopefully inoculate this virus quickly. And I'm afraid if we don't, it's going to continue to stretch out. And it's great that that homeschooling has been enforced, but with that being the case, that still doesn't fix the problem because others are coming and going, unfortunately. So, let's do all that we can virtually. Let's embrace the tools that we have in a way that we probably never felt that we would embrace the tools. The internet, the internet is the great social distancer. It's a tool that brings people together, but doesn't bring them physically together where viruses can be communicated. So tell me what you think within the comment section below. And again, I am begging for how-to and tutorial video topics. So comment below, tell me what you would like to know, and if it's something I'm familiar with, I will do it. And again, photography, drones, cooking, I'm familiar with all that kind of stuff and a whole lot more. Y'all have a good day, and be sure to subscribe, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Hey y'all, Captain iRix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRixGuy, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.